Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today I have this steel drum. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. So first of all, this is a really nice blue color. It's very well done, guys. It's uniform. It just looks great. It has this decorative edging on it. It comes with two of these mallets, as well as this backpack that can act like a shoulder strap. Makes it easy to transport. It also comes with an instruction manual and 6 finger pads. So what does it sound like, guys? I've bought other instruments online where I've read things and kind of been skeptical, should I buy this or not buy it? But you know what? I bought this, took the jump, and I'm glad I did because this thing sounds really good. Let me show you. I'm just gonna play around the notes so you can see what each note sounds like. As you can see, guys, this thing sounded great. Every note resonated with a great frequency and on tune, and it just sounds so good, guys. And even when you're in a spot where it echoes, kind of, like in a garage or some kind of a stairwell, it's really cool. My favorite thing about this, guys, has to be just the price that it is and the value you get for it, because, guys, this is an awesome instrument. For the price that you pay for this, it's just really fun to practice. It's easy to play. It isn't hard to play. It's just so simple, and it's just so fun. I highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.